Fruits and Juices is a health foods cafe that has ready to order and ready to pick up foods like salads, juices, and smoothies for people who desire to live a healthy lifestyle on the go. They are currently located in Lagos, Nigeria, and their core target audience is individuals from the age of 30 and up. Right now, what's interesting about the market landscape is there's a fit fam trend that is currently growing in popularity in Lagos, Nigeria. Everybody wants to be fit, and everyone knows the benefits of living a healthy lifestyle. And so there are a lot of healthy restaurants, health food cafes that are popping up all across Lagos State right now. So the problem that they're facing is attracting new customers. They desperately need to have their brand seen and heard in this increasingly crowded marketplace of health foods. A key research insight that we discovered is that we actually never knew that word of mouth referrals could be even more exponentially powerful than conventional marketing tactics. So what this means is that people who are part of like the Fit Fam community, Fit Fam movement, they're more likely to try a restaurant or a new kind of food or, health supplement if somebody else who is in the same Fit Fam community actually recommends it. So this power of word of mouth is exponentially more powerful than conventional marketing tactics. So that's one of the key insights, actually the very key insight that we've gleaned so far from our research. So just keeping in mind, as I stated previously, that, fit farmers are more likely to listen to recommendations from their fellow fit farmers over marketing messages disseminated by media. We figured out, the question that we should be answering is keeping in mind that word of mouth is so important and so impactful. How might we attract new customers for fruits and juices using the power of word of mouth from existing fit farmers? So we came up with a brand experience strategy, and we actually took this strategy just with the idea of biomimicry, and that is the idea of looking at nature to mimic processes that can be applied to a business. So in this case, we chose the flower and the bee because they have a mutually beneficial partnership, in quote. So the bees obviously go to the plants to pick up some nectar that they in turn go back to their colonies to turn into honey and to feed their fellow bees in the colony. And in return, the bees help to pollinate flowers by carrying the pollen from flower to flower to help each flower pollinate. So they have a very mutually beneficial partnership. And so we're going to keep this in mind as we create a brand experience strategy that will help attract new customers using the influence and impact of Fit Fam community members. So here's the big idea. The big idea is called the colony, right? So the colony is actually an exclusive membership program for all fruits and juices customers. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by infiltrating current colonies, in quotes. So little Fit Fam factions in the broader Fit Fam community. So these factions include gyms, dance studios, yoga studios, fertility clinics, cancer clinics, diabetic associations, and support groups. So what we're going to do is we are going to partner with these specific organizations and associations to create some very impactful and educational health days. So for instance, we would partner with maybe a fertility clinic to, sponsor them with our juices, smoothies, salads, and also to give monetary sponsorship to them so that we can be part of the event, because we know such events would impact attendees about the benefits of healthy living for certain conditions. So we're going to replicate this strategy to all the Fit Fam communities as stated below. And when we do that, that will be the first phase. Then the second phase is we would actually have the F&J colony membership program, right? So just by being a customer of Fruits and Juices, which is F&J, we have an exclusive program that is going to cater specifically to our customers. So when you spend X amount a month, you're automatically eligible for lots of like exclusive and VIP benefits. We have the refer a friend program where you can refer a friend and get great discounts each month. We have like exclusive group tours to different wellness facilities across the state, discounted tickets to our monthly Fit Fam activities like I spoke about, with the hospitals and the gyms and all that. So people would also have access to different like healthcare professionals, cooking lessons, just everything that has to do with living a healthy lifestyle. The Colony exclusive membership program is going to give members like a sense of community, and research has shown actually that when people feel like they're part of an exclusive group, the likelihood that they want to share news and information about that group is very high. For instance, like someone with like a colony membership is more likely to flaunt it and tell other people about it just because they feel really happy and cool to be part of